There are many paper properties on a technical datasheet. Today, I would like to describe the three most important properties for everyday work: tensile strength, tensile energy absorption, and air resistance. When filling a sack, the load on it increases from 0 to the maximum in a period of 3 to 5 seconds and is called static load. This is primarily a tensile load in the longitudinal direction of the sack, the so-called machine direction of the paper. The tensile strength in the machine direction is of great importance for the static load, along with the air permeability. Let's take a closer look at tensile strength. When we test the tensile strength in the laboratory, we measure the force required to break a 15 mm wide test strip. The result is given on the datasheet in kilonewtons per meter. The strength of sack kraft paper is impressive. For example, with a 1 meter wide paper web of our highly porous kraft paper Advantage Select, with a basis weight of 85 grams per square meter, you can lift a weight of approximately 700 kilograms, which corresponds to a pallet of 14 cement sacks. Let's move on to the next one. Tensile Energy Absorption, or TEA. TEA is the most important paper property when we talk about dynamic load. We refer to dynamic load when a sack hits the ground after being dropped. And it can be practically tested with drop tests in the Bag Application Center. TEA combines both strength and elongation. It is the best indicator of how much dynamic load paper can withstand. The graph shows us the stretch of the three typical paper qualities: flat sack kraft, semi-extensible, and extensible. Flat kraft paper has very high strength, but can hardly be stretched, which results in a relatively low TEA value. The semi-extensible and the extensible papers can withstand a much higher dynamic load due to the higher stretch potential and TEA, but their tensile strength is lower than that of flat. Each paper has its own great qualities for a variety of different applications. Let's come to the last point: deaeration. Excellent deaeration means that air can easily escape when the sack is filled. This keeps the pressure low during the process, and you can fill faster. This property depends on the construction of the sack and the porosity of the paper. Air resistance, shown here as the Gurley value, is the relevant paper value for this. For further information, please get in touch with us or visit our Mondi Go to Sack app.